In this video, we're going to learn how to install Audacity on your system. Audacity is a free and open source audio transcoder that you can use to enhance and edit your audio. So to access it, all you need is to open your browser. You can come to the search bar and just type in Audacity, just like so, and hit on enter. You can see it over here, audacity.org, and you can just go ahead. It is available for on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can just go ahead and say download Audacity. You can download it without the Muse Hub because right now it is under Muse Hub. So you have the option to download directly under Muse Hub or without Muse Hub. So it's going to be standalone. I prefer to go without the Muse Hub. So you can just click. And right now you can say continue to this. You can accept this and say continue. So you have to log in. Okay, so you answer here. You can come to Audacity here and you can just go ahead and download directly. And you can see the setup over here and just click on download. Let's just give it some seconds to finish the download. As you can see, the download is complete, so you can go ahead and click to install. Say yes to this, and then we can just go ahead and install it. Now it is done, so you can click on open to kickstart your fresh Audacity software. Okay, so now you have your fresh Audacity that you can start using for your audio enhancement. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.